going to show you how to cook sweet and spicy Coca-Cola chicken wings. They are really good, I promise, and easy. Okay, so with no further ado, let's jump right into this video. To start off, you're going to need 3 tablespoons of olive oil. By the way, I have already washed and pat dry my chicken. You want to make sure you pat dry, paper towel dry your chicken. That's very important. And I just have the drumette part of the chicken. So after your olive oil, give that a toss. Okay, now you want to take just black pepper and season it to taste. For your black pepper, you know, however much you think is good enough for you. And season it with kosher salt. Same with the kosher salt. But I will suggest not a lot of kosher salt because it will be salty. So just enough so it won't be so bland or taste so plain. Just enough kosher salt to give it a good amount of taste. Okay. So that's all we do for that. Now what I have here is a wire rack. I just align with aluminum foil, and I'm just going to take this by the way, I have my oven preheated at 400 degrees. I'm going to take that and I am going to align my chicken on the rack. Okay, so I have all my chicken lined like that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to place this in the oven, which I stated before, it was preheated at 400 degrees, and I want to bake my chicken for 45 minutes to an hour. Next, you want to take a cup and a half of Coke. So that's 1 cup, and I need a half. Okay, so cup and a half of Coke, 1/4 cup of dark brown sugar, two-thirds cups of tomato paste, and you want 5 minced garlic cloves. Next, you want to turn your eye on high, and you want to bring this to a hard boil. Now that it has came to a boil, you just want to turn it down. So I'm turning it down on about 3. It is popping everywhere. Want to turn it down on 3. And you want to add 1/3 cup of Tabasco hot sauce. You want to add 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika. And 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. And you want to stir that in really good. And you just want this to simmer. So make sure it's turned down really low. I have mine on 3. I'm gonna let it cook on 3 for about 3 minutes, and then I'm gonna turn it down on 2, and I'm just gonna let it sit and simmer. Now it done simmered on 3 for about 3 minutes. Now I'm just gonna turn it down, and I'm just gonna let it continue to simmer until the sauce get thicken up a little bit, stirring occasionally. You don't want it to stick, so make sure you stir occasionally. Our wings has cooked for 1 hour, and for the last 4 minutes of that hour I put them on broil to give them that golden crispy look. So now we're about to dip them in our sauce. So I have another pan here just lined with aluminum foil, and we're going to turn our oven down on 350, and we're going to take our wings, and you want to toss it over in this sauce. Honey, this is ready to be amazing. You hear me? Look at this. Yes, and we're going to lay it right there on that aligned pan there. You want to make sure your chicken wings are covered really good. I have dipped all our wings in the sauce, and I just poured a little bit more extra on top, optional. So now you want to place them in your oven because you want this glaze to set in this chicken, honey, for 7 to 10 minutes on 350, that is. Turn your oven down on 350, place them back in the oven for 7 to 10 minutes. Our wings just came out of the oven for that additional 10 minutes. They look amazing. Oh my goodness, they look amazing. It is just enough sweetness, just enough heat, and they are finger looking good. I hope you guys enjoy my sweet and spicy Coca-Cola chicken wings, because I love them. This is one of my go-to for, it's like a good appetizer, or if you want just like a snack, these the wings to go to. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I love you guys. Until the next time, thanks for watching. Bye.